Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I'm back again with another project share. And these are a couple more fabric Valentines. Kim and I, Angel Dream Crafts, were on Skype crafting one day, and she decided to make some fabric hearts for Valentine's. And I said, well, you know what? I'll make a couple too, but I'll use a different shape. I'll make mine round, and I also decided to make them a little bit non-traditional. And if you watched my video of what I did with Amy Love's banner kit, then you'll know, because I made non-traditional Valentines on that also. But anyways, here's the first one. I wanted them to be able to, whoever receives them will be able to use them all year round if they want. I didn't want it to strictly be a Valentine and only for Valentine's Day. So this is the first one I made, and this says Unforgettable, and I put some bling pieces on each side. Here is the beautiful image I used. And I went around her with some pink trim from my stash, and then this flower trim. I think this is from, might be from Craft Supplies for You. And I started off with this Parisian fabric in the background, and someone sent that to me. Of course, I can't remember who, but thank you so much, because I used them on both, and I just loved the fabric. And I did want to show that I do use what people send me. So anyways, I started off with just a round piece of muslin, and I put some batting in the middle of it, and went around it. And then I wanted to, this is, I guess, a little bit different only because it's black. I don't look at black as, a color, the color like that some people infer black to be. So I just thought the black and the pink would really go nice together. So I used this black lacy trim to go around the edges of the circle. And in between I have some dangles here. There's two sets of dangles. And then the only other thing I did was I just made a little bit of a flower, I don't even know, what you would call it, but I added this pink flower first, and then I went from there. Underneath I added this pearl dangle flower. There's some pink ribbon flowers, the white satiny flowers. I had a heart here that I added, and then the butterfly that Karen Billinger made for me, and I just love it. Look at that. And I was so happy to be able to use one of those. And I added some bling. And then I used this Chinese braid, if the person that gets it wants it as a wall hanging. And that's really all I did. And then on the back, I just added a piece of white to go around the edges, some white lace. So that's the first one. And then here's the second one. I haven't added a hanger because I wasn't sure what to use yet, and I haven't decided if I'm going to put a hanger on it or not. Whoever receives it, if I don't, would be able to do that, or just use it, in some other way. But anyways, I used the same fabric, and let's see. Instead of an image, I went with another piece of that material that I caught the word Paris, and I covered a wooden heart with it, and then I added this edging to go around it. And then underneath, there's two more heart appliques, And then this says, know in your heart you are loved. And then there's two acrylic hearts on either end of that. Here's the same black trim I used as on the other one, but I added this white trim over the top of it, and then this pearl trim over the top of that. And then I just did another flower cluster. Here's a flower that I was thinking maybe Kim made it for me, but I'm not positive. So if I got that wrong, I'm so sorry. But someone sent this to me, and I just love it, and I wanted to use it. And here's a different flower applique. Here's some more of those loopy flowers that I call them loopy flowers. Some of these tulle flowers, and then I added this dangle, and this trim is from Craft Supplies for You. And so that's what I did to the front of this one. And then I added this white trim, and somebody sent me that too, this eyelet trim. I added that going around the top, and then I added the black on top, and then what I did was I added a second row of it just for a little more interest, and then I added this doily on the back just to finish it off. So that's it for that one. So those are my two more non-traditional Valentines, and I enjoyed making these. And in fact, I forgot, I'm going to put one of these types of doilies on the back to finish this off. I meant to do that. So that's it. Those are my other two projects. If you'd like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I know not everybody's going to, look at these, and especially seeing the black, because, you don't usually, I guess, think of black when you think of Valentine's, but I just thought the black and the pink went together. So anyways, that's it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I have some more project shares. I'm behind on doing my videos. So thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for sticking with me. And I'll look forward to reading your comments. Bye for now.